All right. Um, I guess the chances are by now, if you're watching this video, you already know who I am and what you do. Just for the reference purpose, I will mention it again. I'm from IT Solution Solved, and we do CRM consulting. CRM consulting is our major part of business, regardless which application you need to implement, whether it is Zoho, whether it is Microsoft, whether it is Salesforce. We do a couple of them, and you can find out more about us on our website, itsolutionssolved.com.au. Today, I wanted to talk about a particular event that's coming in Melbourne in next couple of days, and also in Sydney as well. I'm talking about Zoholics. There are lots and lots of people who must have received an email from Zoho by now, or some marketing campaigns, or they have seen advertisements, but they might not know what it entails to, what they should expect. Coming from an outsider, a third party, it is a massive event where you get to see quite a lot in terms of the products, in the features, how it gets used, and also from a lot of other clients who may have already used it, and they just came in to see what new products are getting released. So if you have ever considered moving to Zoho platform, or looking to find a software which can meet your requirement, this is a great opportunity for any small to medium sized business, or even to enterprises as well, because they have massive range of application. Above and beyond, now they do also have Australian data centers. So when is this event? Basically, it is in two cities. Sydney, it is coming in on 19th and 20th of September, and on Melbourne, 23rd and 24th of September. There will be keynote speakers. There are partners will be there that you can ask your questions. They also have one-on-one sessions, and also there are clients, actually, as I said before, that you can talk to and find out how they are using and how they are able to transform their business and able to automate a lot of stuff. And if you need any more information, you can always visit our website to find out more. Our website is itsolutionssolved.com.au. I'm also going to share some promo codes which can help you in sometime 50% discount, or in certain cases 100% discount for the ticket as well. Yes, it is a paid event, but this is not anything massive price, just $150 for regular admission. And if you use these promo codes, most likely either you're going to get 50% or 100%. There are two codes, so I'll let you choose, work out which one is which one. It depends on how many people have already used it. That's was the only reason I'm putting it that 50 and 100. So I won't tell you to rush. Take your time, think about it, but do not miss this event. This is great value, and I'm sure you can find out from many more people who already been to these ones before. If I'm not wrong, there are 200 plus local businesses attends these events. So there must be a reason why 200 local businesses goes again and again there. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you see that there can be a value for someone else, feel free to comment or share our link with other people as well. Thank you. Have a good day and good weekend.